This is a new touch sensor recently launched. The touch sensor is soldered here and here on the flex cable. When the bracket is pressed down, you won't see any signs of repair on the cable. Completely concealed, a soft flex cable with hidden touch integration. See, it won't scratch, no touch response at all, completely dead, can't be scratched. Next, we'll use this new touch sensor to demonstrate whether we can restore the touchscreen functionality. The process is highly refined. Let's begin. Almost there. Right. Should work perfectly. This is adhesive-free separation, no glue used. Now we're cleaning residual adhesive to prepare the screen surface before alignment and lamination. Current alignment is done manually. Check the alignment here, manual precision work. Not quite. Next, we'll solder this flex cable to these specific contact points. We'll need a laser machine for this step. Hidden cable routing, soldering complete. Censored. Now, I'll ready to remove. There, gently lift it out, flip it over, the backside processing is complete. Cost? Once the bracket is secured, the cable becomes invisible. With older touch models, you had to remove the IC chip and solder directly onto it. Like along this edge. That looks really ugly. What the hell? This setup is totally messed up. Holy crap, I'm speechless. This one must be expensive too.